Hi guys, welcome to this new video of the series, the ELK series, do-it-yourself bicycle, electric bicycle, of course. In this video, I want to present what I've chosen for the engine, and basically it is a rear wheel engine, 500 watts, 36 volts here with a battery, and it has to fit a 29-inch bicycle. There are other actually options, but I thought this was one of the most convenient given the price and the quality. I can definitely recommend it because I'm actually recording this video afterwards. So I can definitely recommend this brand, which, if I'm not mistaken, should be called CSC something. 500 watts should be enough to hit 25-30 kilometers per hour. The battery, 15 ampere hours, is not a lot, but it can for sure help you commuting. I would say that this can last, but this is my speculation. It's not what I haven't tested it yet, the full capacity, but I would say it can last 40-50 kilometers. It's not a lot, but it's good enough. So why then I decided to buy a battery instead of building my own? Well, that's easy. It's cost, basically. Cost and time. So if you plan to build and do your own battery just once, then you are for sure better off buying one. If you plan to do multiple batteries, for sure you will gain some skills. You will spend some time at the beginning, but you will gain knowledge, and then you can really save some money. Not a lot, because they are quite cheap in the end, but, well, not that cheap, but not that expensive as well. But, yeah, so that's my recommendation. If you just do one or two batteries, buy. That's a buy. I've ordered this. When I ordered this, actually, this was 470 euro, not 370. Now it's 100 euro down, which is definitely a good bargain. I will leave the link in the description, and in the next video we're gonna unbox the stuff. Thank you, and see you next time.